So can you imagine that 90% of all people are breathing polluted air every day? And can you imagine that 1 out of 7 deaths today is due to air pollution? Hi, my name is Liang. I'm co-founder of Green City Solutions, and we grow clean air in cities. So the danger of air pollution is you cannot see it with your eyes. But in my home country, China, for instance, this means that my family's life expectancy was shortened by 15 years just in the past 5 years. And this problem also exists in Europe. And this causes an annual economic damage of $1.6 trillion every year. And this is why the EU has set legislations for cities to monitor their air quality, but most of them still fail. London, for instance, is facing a fine of £300 million. And we can solve this truly global problem with a unique patented combination of one of the world's oldest and newest technologies. So we use special moss cultures, which are literally able to eat up the air pollution and convert it into biomass, and we combine it with our Internet of Things technology to further increase the efficiency. And this is what we have come up with. We call it the city tree. And the city tree filters pollutants like particulate matter, nitrogen oxides, but especially black carbon. And by filtering black carbon, we can reach an efficiency comparable to 275 urban trees. So we installed and equipped the city trees with PV panels, a rainwater collection system, so it can be self-sufficient, and we constantly monitor and control and maintain the city tree with sensors. Part of our solution is also a CFD analysis, a particle flow analysis. So we take a 3D model of a city, and we simulate how the air streams flow to calculate the best spot and the best orientation for the city trees. Since we started, we have had installations in 18 cities, in 10 countries, on 2 different continents. And while Europe is, of course, a starting point, what is much more of interest to us is Asia, with countries and cities like Beijing, who are spending $2.6 billion just this year to fight air pollution. And our customers are cities, municipalities, but also corporates. And this is a very good project to showcase exactly that. It was in Paris, at Place de la Nation. And together with Cisco and the city of Paris, we installed city trees to monitor the air quality, but also to mitigate the pollution. And with every installation, we do not only cost you money, we can also make you money, because by collecting the data, the environmental data, we can reuse those data and run an analysis, but we can also use the city tree as a mobile commerce solution. So we can install Wi-Fi hotspots, LED screens, design and display a logo or some other shape with plants on the city tree itself. And we also know where the pollution is now. So we are in cooperation with a Brisometer, so we have a 3D map and can show you where the pollution is the worst in the city. So our revenue streams are direct sales. We can rent, sell, lease the city tree, but also the advertising channel, the Mildfire media channel, the climate data. And starting next year, we're actually gonna provide the city tree as a hardware hub inside of the city, but also have smaller units applicable to other business fields. So for the past 3 years, we have generated revenues of over 1 million euros with sales and services. We have won grants and awards worth over 1 million euros, and our current sales pipeline is also worth over 6 million euros. Last December, we raised our first pre-Series A round in a 7-figure range, and I unfortunately cannot disclose any further about that. So we started off as 4 co-founders in Dresden. We covered 4 different academic backgrounds, and this is the only reason why this was possible at all. We have a horticulture specialist. We have a mechanical engineer, Victor. I'm from the IT department, IT background, and my co-founder, Dennis, our CEO, he's an architect and urban designer. And right now, we're 16 people in Berlin fighting the apocalypse. And this is our next step. We have to set up a production plan for the technology and the plants themselves, because moss is really hard to come by, and in Germany, it's actually under protection. And you can help us grow clean air in cities. And actually, if you have a Facebook account right now. We are in the finale of Shivers the Venture. We are the German representative. Well, you know what I mean. And if you go on Google Shivers Venture and vote for us and help us grow cleaner cities. Thanks a lot.